Yo, what is up YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young Gohan, and the king of the vacation scene. Of course, I am the Party Monster. Back in the House of Monster, back out with a brand new video. And you guys already know, if you're watching this channel, you came for a party. So here I am, and in today's video, we got a double unboxing. One comes courtesy of the NFL shop. I actually 100% know what's inside this package. But this box right here, honestly, I have no idea where it came from. I tried looking at the send label, but it really didn't help me. So I thought, you know what, why not just be generally surprised together? So we're going to unbox this blind and hopefully, well, I already know something I like because I bought it, but hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button and join the Monster Club, the baddest club on YouTube. I know, super biased, but it is what it is. I'm going to try to film this pretty quickly because I actually have a ton of errands I got to run today. So yeah, we're just going to get right into it. Starting off with this package right here. Like I said, it comes from the NFL shop. I 100% know what's inside of it, but still want to pick it up regardless and show you guys what I picked up. It's a slight little pickup. It's only mainly because if I ever go to this city again, which maybe I will down the road, never know. I want to look the part, you know, like I don't want to go to another city and not show love to that city, so you guys can probably already tell sort of what it is by the jersey itself. But for those that aren't, you know, sports friendly, it's actually the Atlanta Falcons alternate jersey. I've always loved the red Falcon jersey. Check out, you got the big ATL in the front. Number 21, for those that don't know who that was, it was actually Todd Gurley, who I know only played for a season, but he was one of my favorite players when he played for the Rams, so I thought, why not cop this? You got the pointing falcon on the side. You have the red transitioning to black at the bottom. Definitely a really dope touch. Definitely gotta say, I do kind of now like the newer Falcon jersey. It was kind of on the fence at first, but I definitely rock with it. I like that bold ATL on the front. And I've always really loved the red jersey, so it was a no-brainer. Got it for like $24. Again, it doesn't play on the team, so it makes sense. But still, dope regardless. And it's probably like my 5th Falcons jersey. I definitely have some friends that live out there, so if I go out there again, hopefully I get to go Buckhead this time. I got something to wear. But that was just the opening yet. We got the headliner right here. And like I said, I have no idea what's inside this box. So we're going to be surprised together. Honestly, I just did this because I needed the box to go through something out. Get right to it. Hopefully I don't cut myself this time, which I did my very first time using this box cutter. Oh, wait a minute. We forgot one thing. Cheers to the Monster Club. It's actually my first time drinking a Michelob Ultra, so here's to that. Wow, honestly not bad. You feel like a Miller Lite, Bud Light kind of vibe. White people tend to go crazy for Michelob Ultra. I don't know what it is about it, but not that bad. Oh, okay. We got a little heat in this box. This is definitely a shoe I really wanted when it first came out, but missed. The price, I could have definitely got it for a little cheaper, but oh wow, these are kind of But regardless, we have the Yeezy 700 in the Azurite colorway. Definitely kind of like, wow, these are way worse off than I thought they were, but I don't know, I definitely can restore these, paint them up, clean them up, and get them ready to rock. Boom, here is the left one. Let me show you guys the right one. As you guys can see, there are scuffs on the back, which honestly, I don't care that much about, to be honest with you, because you can always paint it. But these definitely look a lot different on the app that I bought. I bought these off GOAT for, I think, $230. Not looking like the best to pick up, but I still like these regardless. I just gotta clean them up and get them ready to rock, but definitely something I can do. Check them out. I actually got these in a size 9.5. Usually I am a 9.5 to a 10. But, oh, no, there's actually re-glue these too, but overall, kind of on the fence about this pickup. It's like not one of the ones that I'm super stoked that I got. That's how I really see them in hand, but I'm not mad at it either. Just gotta work with it and get these looking right. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this quick first unboxing and first look at the Yeezy 700 Azurus. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. This actually might be in hell, but you guys can keep it real. We keep it real over here, so say what you think. And other than that, make sure you guys hit that like button. Definitely subscribe, and I will catch you guys all in the next video. But until then, party on, guys. Peace. I'm out.